The faculty at Heidelberg are different. That we conceptualize teaching as not just physically in the classroom, but it's everything that we do. Teaching outside of the classroom requires everybody who's involved in it to go beyond their academic content. When I'm teaching outside of the classroom, I'm not teaching medieval history, right? I'm teaching life skills. I'm modeling the kinds of behaviors that I expect members of this community to uphold. And everybody recognizes that, is cognizant of that, and is intentional about that. And the other thing that makes Heidelberg's faculty different is that they are here for the students. If there's ever an instance where I disagree with somebody about what we need to do, about what the next step is, about what the process should be, about what the ultimate decision should be, it's never about anything other than a different understanding of what is right and best for students, about what's best going to support our students. Every member of this community focuses their efforts on making sure that every single student has the opportunities they need to be successful and accomplish their goals. But it's all teaching and mentoring and developing the kinds of transferable skills and the abilities that our students need to be successful, not just in a job, but in life.